The easiest way that you can make money inside of the stock market is by doing the exact thing that you have to do to make money in the stock market, trading. And believe it or not, the thing that you have to do to make money in the stock market, which is trading, if you do less of that, you'll make more money. This might seem like a completely counterintuitive idea, but I promise you, when I explain it here in the next couple of minutes, that this will change the way that you start trading stocks. This will change the way that you view the stock market. This will change the way that you do your investing. And I encourage you to listen to me carefully when I say this, because it is a little bit nuanced. This isn't necessarily me trying to trick you or be fancy with my words or anything. I'm going to make this very, very clear to you. If you trade less, you will make more. It's just a fundamental principle. And you might think, well, no shit. But that's not my point. My point isn't to point out some obvious realization. My point is to tell you that if you are only concerned with the quantity of the trades, the quantity, right? How many trades you're able to take every single day, and you're not more focused on, or you're not more concerned with how many trades can I make that are high quality, that fit my criteria, that have a setup, or that I have a plan. If you're more focused on those types of trades and not making as many of them, I'm talking if you can get to the point where you're not even trading every day. I think ideally, and some of the best traders I've talked to will echo this, that if you want to be a profitable long-term day trader, swing trader, long-term investor, growth stock investor, options trader, whatever the case might be, they will tell you that you're more likely to make big money off of moves that you make that are smaller, more condensed, and planned, right? Than just shotgunning, rapid firing as many trades off a day as you can. And when I talk to people inside of our Discord, it's unfortunate, but a lot of people inside of our Discord, that's what they care about most. It's not whether or not the plan, the trade has a plan, or what the stop loss is, or the risk management, or the reason behind the trade, or even the technical analysis, like the stuff that just is essential to making a trade in the first place. They care about, well, how many trades do you guys send out a day? And it's like, that's not the point. The point is that we send out trades that we think are good, that we would take personally, and that we look for trades that have a reason behind them, that have a synopsis, that have a actual, fundamental reasoning behind them, and technical reasons sometimes too, for why we think they're going to do X, or why we think they're going to do Y, why we think they're going to break out, or why we think they're going to go down. Right? That's all really investing is you're betting on things and going up in value, losing value, and you're betting that somebody else in the future will purchase that for any given amount of price. And that is, for the most part, what trading is all about. But I meet so many people, and when people DM me and say, oh my God, I just blew up another account, or oh my God, I'm down $1,000 this week, I don't know what to do, or I'm having this problem with trading, I'm having that problem with trading. One of the first questions I ask them when they DM me this is, how many trades did you take this week? And usually they'll give me a number. Usually they'll say, I took 35 trades this week, right? I took 40 trades this week, or something like that. And when you break that number down into a 7-day period and you hear that number, your immediate knee-jerk reaction, at least my knee-jerk reaction, trading for 7+ years now, is, holy shit, you gotta stop trading. You gotta trade less, my friend. Because if you keep trading 40 trades a week and you're losing this much money doing that, I very much doubt you're trading with a strategy. I very much doubt you have a risk management strategy. You're in alerts groups hoping that they're gonna be the reason why you make money this week. And while I think we run an alerts group, so I'm not just dishing on alert groups. Alert groups are good if the person and if the people behind them aren't just sending out trades for trade's sake, right? And let's go be even on the alerts groups, because that's one thing. The second thing is let's just talk about just trading in general. If you have your own strategy, if you have technical analysis, or you think you're skilled in some kind of aspect, and you're making these trades on your own, just by yourself, not with anybody else, and you're trading 30 to 40 times a week, even if you're trading 20 times a week, I think is too much. I think within reason, if you want to start getting good, of course, you do need those at bats, right? You need that experience. So I would almost say a trade a day is decent if you're day trading. Swing trading, whole different animal that I'll probably make a video about later. Hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss that. But literally day trading, I think you should try to trade at least 3 to 6 times a week. Maybe even less than that, I would say. And the reason I say that is because that's going to let you, number one, focus more on each trade that you make, right? So you're not just trading a bunch of trades for the sake of trading. And then number two is that you're going to actually plan out what you're doing. You're going to make a plan. You're going to have a risk management strategy. You're going to have an actual technical analysis strategy. You're going to have a reasoning for getting into these positions in the first place, right? Because if you don't have that, you're just gambling. And I mean, again, you could kind of argue that all of this is just gambling at the end of the day, but I like to refer to it as educated gambling because I'm a degenerate. But literally, if you have just somewhat of a plan going into this thing, you're so much more likely to have some, even a minuscule amount more of success than you would just over trading. And that's my point. So trade less, plan more, try to find trades that are good, that are within your criteria, that fit everything that you want in a trade, and then focus on those. Try to make those trades a majority of what you're doing. It's going to help you so much in the long run, I promise you. If you guys want to join that alerts group or my mentorship group or anything that we have, we offer a bunch of stuff to help beginners, amateur people, and even professionals. Again, it's going to be linked down in the description. You guys can join up, get joined up to our Discord. It's $79 a month. We give out daily buy and sell alerts. Plus we have a trading course so you guys can eventually get out of these alert groups and actually start making money on your own without having to worry about anybody else tell you what to buy, what to sell, or anything like that. You can learn yourself. It's a whole trading group and everything. So again, link down below. You can get started with that. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below your thoughts and anything you're struggling with, and I'll see you in the next one.